Homosexuality occurs in the animal kingdom as well as human society. And this is, I swear, this is an absolutely real book. It's Biological Exuberance, Animal Homosexuality and Natural Diversity by Bruce Bagamill. And there's illustrations by John Megahan, and I want to show you some of those because they're quite incredible. Can we have the first slide, please? Right, I want you to... Right, I have not faked this, okay? This is absolutely real, I swear. 2 male stump-tail macaques in mutual fellatio. I don't know why they're doing that. I don't know what's in it for. I can't... Can I have the next slide, please? A male squirrel monkey, right, performing a genital display towards another male. So this one, he's going, what do you think of that? And that one's going, what? Lick it. Why? Because we're gay. I'm not. We fucking are. Look, he's getting his leg up to get more point. Get the fucking leg up. Can we have the next one, please? Oh, it's a good one. 2 forms of copulation between botos, they're a type of dolphin. Genital slit or anal penetration above, and blowhole penetration. Oh, yes. He is fucking him in the head. What the... Do you see what I mean now about the bits David Attenborough left out? Look at that one on the bottom's face. Oh. We couldn't do it up the arse like them could do. No. It's in the head or nothing. I love you, Dave, but I can't breathe. Next slide, please. Right, this to show that it's not all male homosexuality in animal kingdom. No, these are a female Olympic marmot mounting another female. I cannot see what either of them are getting out of this. Unless the one on top is wearing a strap-on dildo. There's nothing going on. There's no there's nothing. All right? Yeah. Anything? Not really. Oh, last one? Do you have one more? Oh, good, okay. Courtship. I swear this is real, I swear. Courtship and sexual activity between female long-eared hedgehogs. Oh.